Hey, welcome back everybody. All right, so I was pleasantly surprised today because I got a package that showed up on my doorstep from Amazon, which happened to be the new 50 amp ESC, which this time I did not purchase the factory ESC, but a Toitenzi, which is this one right here. You get that off of Amazon. I bought several of these, and so far I like them. Okay. A Toitenzi 50 amp. Now what I do like about this is the original speed controller. The motor would have a serious stutter. You'd be doing one of these things before it actually wound up and went. This one is smooth. It's buttermilk smooth. So I will start recommending a Toitenzi. Oh, and along with that, sorry about that, I ended up buying a programming box. Always wanted one. Now I don't have to do it off the transmitter and listen for the beeps. Do it all right here. This little guy was like 23 bucks, I think it is, on Amazon. So now I get to program all my ESCs properly without any guessing. Because I know I had that problem. I even made a video on that, which was a poor video, but yeah. So that's where we are. All right, so we are going to go and maiden this thing and get her flying, okay? We'll be right back. Good morning, everybody. Man, is it bright out today? We just got done with a lot of rain. It rained all last night. This is now Sunday morning. It rained all last night, and I was thinking, I don't know about today. It doesn't look good, but we have sun. We have clear skies. We have like beautiful weather. I mean, it's gorgeous. And we have two gorgeous airplanes today, the Hawker Hurricane and a P-51 Mustang, and it was, oh man, I got a shadow right in the way. We have the 1 meter Mustang from Eflite, and we have the 1.2 meter Hawker Hurricane from Dynam. We're going to test fly the, maiden the Hawker, and we're going to fly the Mustang today. So we're going to have a twofer today. It's a twofer Sunday. Yeah, that's it. A twofer Sunday. So let's stop chit-chatting and get on to it. I'm not in the perfect area for actually either one of these because of the gravel driveway and you know, all of that. You know, it's rough gravel. Neither one of these airplanes are going to like that. So I know the grass is good and wet, but I'm going to try to give the Hawker Hurricane the best. I'm going to try to set it up for success, and what I'll do is I will set it out in the grass out here, probably right over here where it's like a bare spot, and do its maiden there. I have not taxied the airplane. I have not done anything other than burn up a speed controller in it and replace that. So hopefully the rest of the airplane, hopefully the rest of the event of this airplane will go swimmingly, as my friends across the pond would say, smashingly. So wonderful airplane, great history on both of these airplanes, and all I need now is a Spitfire to round it out, and that will round out the air power of Europe during the Second World War. And that's what really changed everything was, well, the introduction of the Mustang, but the Hawker Hurricane was the workhorse of the bunch, and that's really the hero. The others just look good doing it. Talk to you guys here in a minute. Let's get it set up and we'll put a battery pack in. Okay, 2 batteries each. We have two cell batteries, 2200 milliamps each for the Mustang, and 2 4-cell 2200 battery packs for the Hawker Hurricane. This is the battery recommended for the Hawker Hurricane, so there's no balance issues and things of that nature. All flying off of the Spectrum NX8 with a Lemon RC receiver in both airplanes. The Hawker has the 7-channel with stabilization, The Mustang has, I'm sorry, no, that's not right. The Mustang has the Spectrum 631 in it. AR 631 receiver, I'm sorry, with safe and all that in it. And the Hawker Hurricane has the Lemon RC 7-channel with the built-in gyro. I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay. We need to clear the air to make sure that there's no Focke Wulfs, there's no Messerschmitts. All right. So let's go do it. Let's go do it. I think they might have some soccer stuff going on here today. I think. This airplane also likes to float, guys, just to let y'all know that. There we go. Might have to cut it short. We'll see. Coming in. Sky Patrol. I ought to put a camera on that airplane. There we go. Looking nice. Let's do a little left-hand turn. I like the invasion stripes on it. That looks pretty darn cool. Do some of that warbird flying stuff. Very quiet airplane. Flying mostly at around 50% throttle. Oh, the gnats are starting to bother me. This is a 4-channel airplane, ailerons, elevator, rudder, no retracts, no flaps. So I don't know about you guys. It's like whenever I'm flying, yeah, I'm flying and everything, but the number one thing on my mind is landing. Where am I going to land? So we're going to reduce the throttle and let it just floats. Let's do that again. Set up for landing. Reduce the throttle about there. Try to keep ballooning to a minimum. There we go. Rough field operations there over in the RAF. So they were flying mostly off of grass. Fields, unimproved fields. They would go and clear the field and then put that mesh grading down to create a runway or a takeoff area But still, it was still kind of rough. Got roughly another minute on the clock. Let's see if I can't give you guys a better landing. Oh, the brakes work. All right. Nothing like good brake system on an airplane. Hold on a second. No damage, just a little nose over. Like I said, this is not the most airplane. I mean, just to get it to move is difficult. Hold on a second. Yeah. I mean, I guess I could join an AMA club and spend another $100 and... Come on, baby. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Once you get them rolling, keep them rolling. This is a very bouncy plane. All right, so I got one guy right here behind me. I'm not sure if he's part of a soccer group or some other group, or needs some place to make out with his girlfriend. I don't know. But there's a Mustang, guys. Good flying airplane. If you ever thought about getting one, I would recommend it. Definitely. So let's get out the next one. Oh, thanks for watching and subscribing and viewing and all that stuff. If this is something that you might like, hit that subscribe button, or at least hit the like button anyway. All right, catch you on the next one.